Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Xiaomi Wear or Mi Fitness application. Basically, it's the same application, but it changed the name. Okay, once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down, find the Mi Fitness application. On the list, tap on it, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Then go back to settings, scroll up, tap on the Bluetooth option, find Redmi Watch 2 Lite on the list, tap on the info icon next to it, and make sure that this share system notifications option is enabled. And now you can close the settings. Now, let's open the Mi Fitness application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on device. And here we have a device page for our watch. Make sure that the watch is connected to your phone. As you can see, it says connected. So let's tap on app notifications. And now we can enable the app notifications by tapping on the switch, like this. And here we can customize them. We can enable or disable the option to wake up the screen when you receive the notification. You can enable the notifications for apps and functions like phone, messages, mail, Mi Home, and other. Let's enable it for phone, messages, and other. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So for example, give me a second. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I got it on my phone and I got it on my watch, as you can see. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can wake up the screen on it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen, my bad, to open the notification panel, and here you can read them, clear them if you want to, and tap on them to view more detail on them. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.